Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Bhashapraveshaha Part 1 textbook from 24th page till 26th page. Let's start with 24th page. See here, this is one scenario they have given. Class teacher is explaining concepts to the school children, right? And here this scenario is explained, and see this. In this table, this box you are able to see, right? Purataha means front side. In front of teacher, who are there? Prushtataha, behind children, who is there? And what is there? Dakshinataha, right hand side. Vamataha, left hand side. Upari, above. Adhyaha, below. All these things we are going to see. How we need to use in a sentence. How we can use behind, right side, left side, above, etc. All these things we are going to see in this scenario. Now let's start with the scenario. See this. Yesha Kaksha means this is a classroom. Yesha means this. I already explained you, right, in the previous classes. Kaksha means class. This is a class. Kakshayam Adhyapika Patayati. In the classroom, Yesha Kaksha means this is a classroom. In the classroom, teacher is teaching. To whom she is teaching? To students. To the students. Adhyapikayaha Purataha Chatraha Santi. Purataha means what is the Purataha? Here they have given, see. Purataha means front side. In front of teacher, children are there. Children means students. See this? This is a classroom. In this classroom, teacher is explaining, and in front of teacher, who are there? Students are there. Students means children. That's what is given here. And what is the next sentence? Adhyapikayaha Prushtataha Bittihi Asti. Prushtataha, what is Prushtataha? Behind. Behind Adhyapika. Behind the teacher, what is there? Bittihi Asti. What is Bittihi? Dustbin. Behind the teacher, see in this picture. See in this picture, behind the teacher, what is there? Dustbin is there. Now, next sentence. Adhyapikayaha Dakshinataha Asandaha Asti. Dakshinataha means right hand side. What is there in the right hand side of the teacher? See, chair and table are there. That's it, right? So that's what is given. And the next one. Adhyapikayaha Vamataha Manachitram Asti. Vamataha. What do you mean by Vamataha? Vamataha means left hand side. Left hand side of teacher. What is there? Manachitram means this India map. India map picture is there. That's what is given here. Manachitram means this India map picture. Kakshayam Utpitika Api Asti. In the classroom, table and chair is also there. Utpitikayaha Upari Pustakam Upari Lekhani. Above the table, on the table, book is there, and above the book, what is there? Spectacles and pen are there. I'll repeat it once again. See this. Yesha Kaksha. This is a classroom. Kakshayam Adhyapika Patayati. In the classroom, teacher is teaching. Adhyapikayaha Purataha Chatra Santi. Purataha means front. In front of the teacher, children are there, students are there. That's what is the meaning. In front of the teacher, students are there. अध्यापिकायाः पृष्ठतः भित्तिः अस्ति. पृष्ठतः means behind. Behind the teacher, dustbin is there. अध्यापिकायाः दक्षिणतः आसन्दः अस्ति. अध्यापिकायाः वामतः मनचित्रम् अस्ति. In the left hand side, this table is there, table, and on top of table book is there. On top of the book a pen is there. कक्षायां उत्पीठिका अपि अस्ति. उत्पीठिकायाः उपरि पुस्तकम् उपरि लेखनी. On top of the table book on top of the book pen is there. And moving to the next sentence. पुस्तकस्य अध्यः उत्पीठिका. पुस्तकस्य अद्य means below. Below the book, what is there? Table is there. First they have mentioned like on top of the table book is there. On top of the book pen is there. Now what they are saying? In the below the pen book is there. Below the book table is there. That in reverse they are saying, just in order to make sure you are comfortable with Sanskrit. So vice versa, above the table pen is there, below the pen table is there. You are easily able to understand, right? So that's what they are trying to make you understand clearly. Above and below, how to use these sentences, these words. Upari means above, adhyaha below, like this. उत्पीठिकायाः अद्यः अवकरिका अस्ति. अद्यः means what is अद्यः? Below. पाठनं कक्षायाः अन्तः प्रचलति. पाठनं means lesson. कक्षायाः class. अन्तः प्रचलति. Until the end of the class, teacher has been teaching. The entire class teacher has been teaching. That's what is this scenario. This is a classroom scenario. In the classroom, how exactly we need to use the words like above, below, front, behind, back, right hand side, left hand side. How we need to use these words. They have explained in this scenario. That's it. Now moving to the exercise of the page number 24. See this, now you have seen the scenario, right? Based on this scenario, now you need to fill in the blanks. You need to fill the blanks. I'll show you how to fill. See this is the exercise which you need to fill. They have given blanks. These blanks you need to fill based on these words and the above scenario. They have given the same words: Purataha, Prushtataha, Dakshinataha, Vamataha, Upari, etc. Now let's see one by one. See the first example. Adhyapika Kesham Purataha Asti. Adhyapika means teacher. Kesham Purataha. Purataha means front side. Whose front side? Adhyapika, teacher is there. Whose front side teacher is there? Chatraha, right? Students. In front of students, teacher is there. Bittihi kutra asti. Where is the dustbin? Adhyapikayaha prushtataha. Teachers behind. Behind the teacher, dustbin is there. Based on the scenario, you need to fill these blanks. Moving to the third one. Utpitika kasyaha upari asti. Utpitika means table. On top of what? Utpitika kasyaha upari asti. On top of what table is there? Avakarika upari. Avakarika upari. The table is available. Now moving to the next blank. पुस्तकं कस्याः अद्यः अस्ति. पुस्तकं means book. Book is adya means below. On which object below book is there? Under the pen, book is there, right? See this? On top of table, book is there. On top of book, pen is there. Now what is the question? Below the pen, what is there? Book. Below the book, what is there? Table. That's what is given. लेखनी कस्य उपरि अस्ति? Lekani, pen. On top of what? Pen is there. On top of book, pen is there. Right? See this. See the picture. On top of book, pen is there. Below the pen, book is there. That's what you need to fill in this exercise. I'll repeat the sentences, answers once again. You just cross check. You don't see these answers. First you fill based on the scenario given. After that just cross check whether you have written correctly or not. अध्यापिका केषां पुरतः अस्ति? छात्राः. भित्तिः कुत्र अस्ति? अध्यापिकायाः पृष्ठतः. उत्पीठिका कस्याः उपरि अस्ति? अवकरिका उपरि. पुस्तकं कस्याः अद्यः अस्ति? लेखनी अद्यः. लेखनी कस्य उपरि अस्ति? पुस्तकस्य उपरि. This is a simple example, simple exercise which you need to fill based on the scenario given in the top. Now moving to the 25th page. Here few more blanks are there related to that scenario. Let's see the first one. मानचित्रं कस्याः वामतः अस्ति? On left hand side of what that India map is there? अध्यापिकायाः वामतः. On left hand side of the teacher, the India map is there. आसन्दः कस्याः दक्षिणतः अस्ति? अध्यापिकायाः दक्षिणतः means right hand side. शिक्षणं कस्याः अन्तः प्रचलति? कक्षायाः अन्तः. Entire the class teaching has been going on till the end of the class. So this is the exercise. Now a different exercise. See this. बालकस्य पुरतः शकटः अस्ति. बालकस्य पुरतः शकटः अस्ति. Here in the brackets balakah has been given. Now that balakah you need to search in ashtadhyayi.com or sanskritabhyas.in, and once you search you need to note down the Shashti Vibhakti forms of singular, dual and plural forms. Once you note down in a paper, then check. Here in the braces, this is a singular form, right? Balakaha means one boy. So if Pradhama Vibhakti singular is given, then what you need to fill in the blank? Shashti Vibhakti singular you need to fill, right? So Balakaha is the Pradhama Vibhakti singular form. Balakasya is the Shashti Vibhakti singular form. Then it will become Balakasya Purataha. So what is Purataha? Again go back. Purataha we have already read, right? Purataha means front side. In front of the boy, what is there? That's what is asking here. Balakasya Purataha Shakataha Asti. Now moving to the next example. Dash Prushthataha Grihani Santi. Dash Prushthataha Grihani Santi. In the braces, Udyanam has been given. Now what you need to do? Udyanam you will search and you will get the Shashti Vibhakti form, singular form. Why? Because Udyanam means garden, one garden. Udyanam is the Pradhama Vibhakti singular form. So you will get the Shashti Vibhakti singular form and you will fill it. Udyanasya Prushthataha Grihani Santi. That's it. So like this, you need to fill all these examples, Shashti Vibhakti forms of all the Shabdas which is given in the braces. All these braces Shabdas are there, right? Udyanam, Vrikshaha, Krishnafalakam, Dwaram, Chhatraha. For all these Shabdas, you will get the Shashti Vibhakti corresponding forms, singular or dual or plural. And then the Shashti Vibhakti forms you will fill in this blanks. That's it. I'll give you answers. बालकस्य पुरतः शकटः अस्ति. उद्यानस्य पृष्ठतः गृहाणि सन्ति. वृक्षस्य उपरि फलानि सन्ति. वाक्यं कृष्णफलकस्य उपरि लिखितम् अस्ति. कृष्णफलकं द्वारस्य दक्षिणतः अस्ति. छात्राणां पृष्ठतः भावचित्रं नास्ति. भावचित्रम् अध्यापकस्य वामतः अस्ति. नेत्रे नासिकायाः उपरि स्तः. नासिका नेत्रयोः अध्यः अस्ति. नासिका ओष्ठस्य उपरि अस्ति. जलं कूप्याः अन्तः अस्ति. मण्डूकः जलस्य अन्तः अस्ति. And the next one. प्रकोष्ठस्य अन्तः कोऽपि नास्ति. लेखनी स्यूतस्य अन्तः न आसीत्. मीनः कस्य अन्तः तरति. ते विद्यालयस्य वामतः दक्षिणतः च नारिकेलसस्यम् आरोपयन्ति. पुस्तकालयः नद्याः दक्षिणतः अस्ति, वामतः न. पुस्तकं लेखन्याः पृष्ठतः अस्ति, पुरतः न. बालकाः वृक्षस्य अध्यः सन्ति, उपरि न. कः पाकशालायाः अन्तः अस्ति. So all these are the answers which I have given. You don't look into these answers. First you fill it and then cross check. 25th page is done. Now moving to the 26th page, last page of today's class. See this is one conversation they have given. In this conversation, few words they have, based on few words they created the conversation. Avashyakam means it's required. Mastu, not required. Paryaptam, then. Dhanyavadaha, thank you. Swagatam, welcome. I'll repeat it. Avashyakam, required. Mastu, not required. Paryaptam, then. Dhanyavadaha, thank you. Swagatam, welcome. Based on these shabdas, they have created a conversation between Mata and Nalini, mother and one girl, Nalini. Now, mother is saying, Nalini, Sunayane, Bhojanartham Agachatam. Nalini Sunayane, Bhojanartham Agachatam. Means mother is saying, Nalini and Sunayana, come to have a meal. Come fast to have a meal. Then Nalini is saying, Bhojane kim asti. In the food, what all are there? What all you have cooked? That means. Then mother is saying, Odanam asti shakam asti, madhuram asti. Meals is there, hot is there, and sweet is also there. Then Sunayana is saying, Mataha annam pariveshayatu. Mother, you keep the food, we'll come and have it. Then mother is saying, Nalini, kim avashyakam? Nalini, what all are required for you? What do you want? Then Nalini is saying, Kinchit shakam avashyakam. I need something hot. That means namkeen. She wanna have something hot. So like this, they have used all the required words like avashyakam, required, mastu, not required, paryantam, then dhanyavadaha, swagatam. Thank you and welcome. It's a simple scenario. Now moving to the exercise. See this, they have given one example. Prataha jagaranam avashyakam bhavati. Here in the braces they have given avashyakam, mastu, required or not required. They have given few sentences and they gave some fill in the blanks. You need to fill whether it is required or not required. Required means avashyakam, not required means mastu. That's it. So these two things you need to analyze and fill it. So here what they are saying, prataha jagaranam avashyakam bhavati. In the morning, jagaranam means no sleep. So that is required. Morning you don't sleep, right? So that's what they are saying. Morning jagaranam avashyakam bhavati. Here avashyakam will get. That means no sleep is required. That is avashyakam. It is done. Now the next example. Guroho agna palanam dash asti. Guru's words or Guru's order, that means order of an teacher, is required, right? Is it not required? Whatever your teacher says, you will follow it, right? So it is required. That means avashyakam. And the third one, adhikam bhojanam dash. So overtaking of food, is it required or not required? It's not required, right? If you eat lot of food, then you will get indigestion. So overtaking of food is not required. So that's why, and the answer is mastu. And the next exercise, next example. Balakasya uchitam namakaranam dash. So balakasya uchitam namakaranam. For a boy, namakaranam means naming ceremony. It's required, right? So every boy or girl, every kid required a naming ceremony. So that's why we need to give required, avashyakam. And the next one, Jeshtanam nindanam dash. Elderly brother, to your elder brother, will you blame? No, right? Is it required? Blaming of an elder brother, is it required? Not required, right? So mastu. Putraha vadanam jatam patanam dash. Patanam means studies. Studies are required, right? After studies only the remaining things you need to take care. So son, first studies are required. First you study, then concentrate on other things. That's what is the this exercise talking about. So this is a very simple exercise. You just need to fill required or not required for all these examples. So page number 26 is done. So this is what for today. In the next class we'll see from 27 to 30th page. Thank you all for joining. We'll meet you in the next class.